everyone, so today's video is on the 3 bun hairstyles that are super quick and easy to do, so I really hope you enjoy this and let's get into it. So the first style is the neat high bun, and I'm starting by brushing my hair and gathering it all together at the top of my head. Now you don't want to make this too high. I kind of imagine a diagonal line up from my nose so it just sits where a ponytail would be. Then I'm taking my hair tie and I'm pulling the ponytail through the band halfway and then gathering the leftover up and twisting the hair tie around it. I'm gonna play it again because it's easier to see it rather than me explain it. Next, I'm taking the little strands I left out and wrapping them around the bun and then gripping them into place with some hair grips. Now you could leave it like this, but I like to pull out a few strands around my face, and then that is hairstyle number 1. The second look is the messy bun, so again you want to gather the hair up at the top of your head, but this time you want to make it slightly higher than what we previously did. I like to flip my hair over because I find it helps me to get it even higher. Then you want to tie it into a ponytail once, and then the second time you want to pull the ponytail through the band halfway so it's kind of like a loop. Next, I'm taking another hair tie and kind of scrunching the hair up into the position I want it to be in, and then tying the second band around it. You can also put in some hair grips too and kind of play with it to make it look good, but I like to pull some pieces out of the bun as well just to make it look even messier. I'm also just pulling out some strands of hair around the front of my face too, and really just trying not to be too neat with it, and then that is how I do my messy bun. With these though, you do find you have to do it like 3 times till you get it perfect. But you can see what I mean about how quick all of these hairstyles are. They could literally take you 2 minutes. And the last look is a sleek low bun, so for this you want to make sure your hair is really smooth, the complete opposite to the last look. And I'm just using my comb and measuring up from my nose to create my middle parting. And then I'm just taking the hair and tucking it behind my ears, using my comb to make sure it's nice and sleek. Next, I'm just taking my brush and brushing all of my hair to the back of my head and then gathering it into a low ponytail position slightly to one side of my head, so whichever side you'd prefer your little bun to be on. Now I'm taking my hair tie and pulling it halfway down the hair, picking the rest of the hair up and then wrapping the hair tie around it just like we did for the first look. Now again, I have a few loose bits, so I'm just gripping them neatly around the bun. You can also put a hair grip behind your ear if you have slightly shorter hair near the front of your face, just so it stays in place and doesn't fall out. And then I'm just putting on some hairspray, and then that is the third hairstyle. So that is it. I really hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you did, because it honestly means so much to me. Have a great day, and I'll speak to you all in my next video. Bye guys.